Welcome back to another video. I hope each and every one of you are doing fantastic and keep hard working to achieve your goals. So this video is going to be one of the most best video ever in my YouTube channel, and I hope my viewers have predict from my seeing the thumbnail that in which topic I am going to talk about. So this topic is very common to each and every English learners, speaking learners. Means this problem every beginners face while practicing English, that is while speaking English. Their mind goes blank, there no words come in their mind. So this topic, this question, this problem, this is a very initial obstacle that every English learner face. But there is a very practical problem, there are very practical things that I am going to tell in this video, and I have some ideas, I have some tips that I have used when these type of problems that I used to face. So this video is going to be because means I from my experience I am going to talk about in detail in this video. So from this topic, if from this video if you will learn something from this video, if you will this video really help to you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So here I want to say that means when you practice English, means when you are beginner, the means the people who face this problem, the main reason, the biggest issue means when they don't have their words in their mind, that is because of their hesitation of starting something new. From my own experience, when the student or if any person used to start something new, they used to hesitate, they used to scare about of mistakes. They think in their mind that people will laugh at us, people will criticize us, people will not say us that you are doing wrong, these that, then their mind used to stop them to doing that. And because of that hesitation of starting something new, because we are habitual of speaking Hindi, we are habitual of speaking mother tongue, sorry, mother language, and because of that we are hesitate to start something new, and because of that our mind stuck on that, and our mind goes blank. And means in the this is our first obstacle, every learners used to face this first problem. Yes. And means every student or every person used to face this, and I hope that you will not failure it. And it means most of the people used to give up in this initial obstacle, means they say that I will not continue on this, I will be shaky while speaking English, and this speaking English is not for me, and I will like lose it. Okay. And what you do, you take poses while speaking English, and you say means it's not for me, you really want to what, hesitate it. So that is the biggest problem, and the biggest problem is not your things that you hesitate, the biggest problem is your mind. Means mind is to attach from your comfort zone. So I suggest you to out of from your comfort zone. Please please do hard work, do a lots of hard work to achieve your goals, because fluency is all about the practice. And I have proposed in my previous videos that you can be a fluent in English, you can be a good speaker in English by until unless doing a lots of practice. And I have seen, I have told you in my most of the videos, do a mirror technique, do reading, listening, speaking, and everything I proposed in my previous video, do this that and you can do it ever. So that's the problem, and it means this is a milestone things that I am saying to you, the practice and practice, because you can speak Hindi, then you can speak English as well. Means suppose this is a pen, I am saying that यार ये पेन तो बहुत अच्छा है, then I can say it, this pen is very nice buddy. This is very easy, right? So you can speak like this, you can translate in Hindi to English, but initial days you will take time to in the conversion of English to Hindi, but this is the this is the initial step of speaking English fluently, guys. And means if you in initial time that you hesitate and you come back and you focus on your obstacle, you are not practicing English, then your mind will always goes up down. Means you have forced yourself, you have keep, sorry for the inconvenience. So I was talking about that. Means you have put a effort to bring the words, bring the things in your mind. Now the one thing that you have to do is whatever the things that you're coming in your mind, just come into your mouth. That's the second step. And if you have given us so much effort to bring everything in English in your mind, then you have to put a one small another step. That effort is to bring the things from your mind to mouth. And this is the thing that you have, means you will make you a more best speaker in English. Understand, this is a basic step, guys. So means this is for today, guys. If you really want something new, and if you really want a practical thing that how you can be a good speaker in English, so please let me know in the comment section. And if you really like this video and you feel that this video was really helpful to you, then please like and share with whom you means with whom that you really want to help that anybody else, then share with that people. And I'll be back with another amazing video like this. And take care and bye bye. Thank you.